Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious peanut butter punch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Finally, have about 2 cups of ice ready to chill your refreshing drink. This simple list ensures a smooth start to your punch-making adventure. Now let's get blending. Pour your 1 cup of creamy peanut butter into a sturdy blender. Next, add the 2 cups of whole milk and the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Secure the lid tightly and blend on medium speed for approximately 1 minute. The goal is a perfectly smooth mixture, free of any peanut butter lumps, creating a creamy base for your punch. This step is crucial for a consistent texture. With your base smooth, it's time to add that touch of vanilla. Pour in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, carefully add the 2 cups of ice cubes to the blender. Secure the lid once more and blend until the ice is completely crushed and the punch is thoroughly chilled. This final blend ensures a frosty, flavorful drink, ready to refresh. The ice not only cools but also slightly thickens the punch. Your delightful peanut butter punch is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the freshly blended, chilled punch into your favorite glasses. For an extra touch, consider garnishing each serving with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a small dollop of whipped cream. Serve it immediately to experience the optimal cold temperature and creamy texture. This punch is perfect for a treat on a warm day or as a unique dessert beverage. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.